Alright, what's up guys? This is the xj6 we got on the last video. We got some stuff to do tuning. We got spark plug wires. We got fuel filter, cap and rotor. Here it is. Does have a sunroof, doesn't work. So we're gonna work on the sunroof another day. All the windows are not working, the AC is not blowing cold. And we started it pretty good. So I'm gonna change out the parts right now. Right, so we got the plugs here. I don't know, in the last video we were driving and he was flooring it, but it wouldn't even move at all. So we did find out spark plug wires are pretty bad. Yeah. There you go. It's actually his first time probably working on the car.
Yeah, it is.
Help him get the plugs off and then go from there.
There you go.
Alright, so that's all 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Really?
Alright, so we went to a gas station and it stranded us, but we did find out that this wire right here broke off, so we fixed that already, temporary. We got to solder it on there. Coil's good. I couldn't find one of these locally, so we'll stick with this one for now. But the cap and rotor is down there is a little dirty, crusty. These are pretty bad. It has a lot of rat shit in there. I already got new spark plugs. The old ones were pretty bad. Alright, so we got the new cap. Rotors installed. This is the old rotor here. So cap and rotor's in there. This is the old one right here. Pretty bad. So go ahead and start putting the wires on, and then I have the fuel filter to do, and I think that's it. Just put the wires and then we'll turn it on, see how it runs, because the last time it wouldn't even go over 5 miles per hour probably. So we'll see how that runs. So
I really got it. It's xj6.
what's in that one?
1975. They're the ones that when you roll down the windows, all like the chroming goes down with it.
Oh really?
Yeah.
It's a fresh battery. Charges it. We got all the wire, spark plugs, cap and rotor. He's gonna do a little start real quick. Make sure I did put the wires on the right way. That's good. Do it again. Do it again. Let go. Start off. Alright, let me double check the wires. Alright, so I found the wiring diagram. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna double check these real quick. If not, I think this is the piece that might be wrong. So I'll probably just put this one back on, see how that runs. So I think I did the schematics the right way now. Go ahead and give it a start. See if it runs good. Yeah. Now we're replacing this thing. Well, here it is. Yeah, start it, see what it does. Let it run. Nope, not running right. Let me check it out again. Damn it. Third time's the charm. Actually started. It's moving pretty good. He's gonna give us some gas. Oh, dude, it's gonna have power now. Yeah. All right, so we just picked up some oil. The oil change on it. All right, so make him do this. Clean it up. You gotta get the spare wheel out. To get to the fuel filter. Second, but let me disconnect the battery. Alright, so fuel filter is around here somewhere. Let me go charge the battery real quick. Get back to you when we're done. Alright, fuel filter's in. Sprayed everywhere. Put this thing on here. Jaguar's on the jack stands. We already got the oil coming out. This thing's filthy. Who knows when's the last time you got oil changed, but under here it looks like you have to get pressure washed. There's a lot of oil. I don't know where it's coming from, but we'll have to figure that out later. So we'll see how that is. Let me get this drained and I'll put the new oil and we'll go for a test drive. It's so nasty. We're done taking the filter off. Then we're gonna lower the car and go ahead and fill it up with this. Nope, not that one. Mobile one. Mobile one 1540. The garage is a mess. I'll fix that later. So it's a 1030 high mileage, and we're gonna put it on here. So let's get the car down. everything's done. Spark plug wires, spark plugs, cap and rotor, fuel filter, oil change, so it has mobile one oil change on it, and Spencer has oil. I also put WD-40 so it can close really good. Look at that. It really starts really good. Go forward. Let's go for a little test drive here, guys. See what it does and see how it feels. Here it is. That's a good looking car. Not gonna lie, it's a good looking car. Put some wheels on it.
Oh, cut. God, what a beauty, man. What a sexy ass car. Bruh.
Alright guys, here it is, first drive, official first drive, because the first one was crappy and didn't want to go fast. No, I'm still struggling.
Yeah, it kinda is.
Alright, so maybe we got some bad gas in there, we gotta try to get out. It's going faster.
Yeah, you can feel it. You know, you can feel it kick a little.
Oh, those metal things.
Oh,
Yeah,
all the metal earrings.
yeah.
Oh, what was that?
Yeah, I think it's just that fuel. This is good there. Guys, it is another day. Couldn't get actually got the Jaguar started, but it's not staying on running and stuff like that. So this is the fuel tank. I'm running on one. The other side is rusted out, so we gotta buy a tank for it. When we changed the fuel filter out, it was all rusted and nasty. I'm going to remove the fuel from here, clean it up. Boy, look at that shit. It's just nasty. That's like water and gas and rust and shit. That's probably why the car didn't run. Damaged a lot.
That is.
Alright, so we have all the bad fuel here. Cleans in here. It actually went in pretty good. So, make sure it's not leaking. Looks like we're good to go. So, waiting for a little bit and then go take it for a spin, see if it actually fixed it. But yeah, the gas in the gas tank was pretty bad. Alright guys, after we did everything, the car didn't want to start, and now we got it jumped, so it might be not the pump. Go ahead. First start. It's pumping, but it's not turning the car on. I fixed it. I put a new fuel pump in it. So we just gotta get a new battery. Probably need a new alternator. But we did install a new fuel pump. Deleted that gas tank right there. It was just rusted. He kept this side. Should be good to go. Block. I just didn't have my camera on me. But other than that, man, it runs pretty good. I guess I'll show you on the next video, but end it here. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys, and